Change your diet, change your life, change the planet.
Tim Van Orden here with the Running Raw Project. Today's topic is runner's knee, otherwise known as patellofemoral syndrome, and how to deal with knee pain while running, or how to get rid of it, right? That's even better. Why deal with it? Why not just get rid of it? Okay, here we go. First, we need to give you a little anatomy lesson. The kneecap is known as the patella, and the big thigh bone in your leg is known as the femur. Now, they don't physically touch, or at least they shouldn't physically touch, but there are tendons and ligaments and other connective tissues that keep the bones of the upper leg, the lower leg, and the kneecap all together in one contained unit to allow you smooth motion without pain, without inflammation. But the problem is that the tendon that holds the kneecap, known as the patellar tendon, can loosen or stretch, and this can cause the kneecap to wobble side to side. And when it does so, it bumps into the lower part of the femur bone, where it has like these two knobs at the bottom, and that area in between is called the femoral groove. So when you're running with a patellar tendon that's a little bit loose and stretched out, and your kneecap's bobbing back and forth, it's going to hit the sides of the femoral groove on the femur bone, and it's going to cause inflammation. This is runner's knee. So what you need to do is tighten up that patellar tendon, the tendon that holds the kneecap in place. And you do this with a patellar tendon strap. The one I use comes from a company called ProTech, and you basically wrap it around your knee, below the kneecap, and it holds the patellar tendon in place, puts a little bit of tension on it so that when the kneecap moves, it moves up and down and not side to side, because that's where the problem is. So I've got my patella tendon strap, and I'm going to put the Velcro facing outward and the buckle facing the other leg. And I'm going to put it on my patella tendon, which is this guy right here. Take this Velcro side out, pull the buckle around the back, and put the Velcro through the buckle like this, and tighten. You don't want it to be too tight, because that's going to cause too much pressure on this tendon and cause the kneecap to hurt as well. You also don't want it to be too loose, so you're going to have to feel it when you get out there. Put it on. If it hurts right away, loosen it up, and you'll find the point where it alleviates the pain but doesn't cause any pain. This is very comfortable. I don't even notice it when I'm wearing it, and it completely eliminates my runner's knee. So I highly recommend one of these guys. This has allowed me to go from running 50 miles a week to 120 miles a week when I'm training for a long race without knee pain. It used to be that when I got up to 50, which was about 7 or 8 miles a day, the knee would swell up, and if I did a long run that week, 10 miles or more, I would be done. I couldn't run for a week because of the inflammation in my knee. So I'd have to keep my mileage between 30 and 50 miles a week. But by using this strap, I've been able to get up to 100 and well above without any pain at all. So I highly recommend you get a patella tendon strap if you have runner's knee pain. You can find these at a lot of running stores. My favorites are the Chopat strap and the ProTech strap, which is the one that I'm wearing. You can also get them online. They're around $19, which is a small price to pay for enjoyable running, so I highly recommend them.